What's going on everyone, my name is Amel and welcome to the channel. This is just a quick video showing you how to connect your Stadia controller to a new Wi-Fi network without having to reset to factory settings. So let's get to it. The easiest way to disconnect your Stadia controller from Wi-Fi is to hold the Y button when powering on your controller. By doing that, it will tell the controller not to connect to its normal Wi-Fi network, but to go into setup mode. If you did that part right, the Stadia controller should have a flashing orange light, which means that it's ready to be set up. Before you start the setup of connecting the Stadia controller to the new Wi-Fi, you also have to make sure that your phone is connected to it as well. So do that before you start with the controller. The setup is easy. Just follow the Stadia app like you did the first time when you went through the Stadia controller's out-of-the-box setup process. If for some odd reason the quick disconnect method will not work, you will have to factory reset your controller. To do so, press and hold the Capture and Google Assistant buttons for 6 seconds until the Stadia controller vibrates. Just make sure when you do this that the controller is on. If your controller was off for a longer extended period of time, this button combination may not work for you. So what you have to do in that case is turn the controller on and then back off and then try it again. It should fix that problem. That's it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, you guys be safe out there and peace out.